somewhere, waiting to me. Too afraid, too ashamed to get tested. As a nurse, I have witnessed how silence can be more dangerous than any illness. In the Philippines, more than 133,000 HIV cases have been recorded as of 2025. Behind those numbers,
Ni Ocho, mangitagdag, si Barangay ni Aana Patatarata, Matolay, San Nicolas!
Natalikan Cortez ni 20 mula sa barangay na walang malas, puro buenas, may gandang di, basta-basta, barangay, Buena Vista. It's in here. You see, animal welfare is not just about kindness. It's about public health, environmental stewardship, and moral duty. And it is the principle behind One Health. Now, sa ginindoang bukas, Rachel Ann Regadio Asuncion 19, susunong pa, Santa Rosa! Yeshua Dumayas 17, representing the Premier High School of Nueva Vizcaya and PG. This is Angela Josephine Delphine from Barangay, located from the heart of South, where joy and laughter flows from every mouth. Let's shout, Lantarasa! Representing Barangay Don Mariano Marcos. And I believe that real beauty stands with the broken and fights for change. Bayongbong, sama-sama natin wakasan ang karahasan sa kababaihan at kabataan. Dahil sa mata ng pagkakaisa at pagkakapantay-pantay, tanaw ang ginintuang buhay. Using adaptability, because when we invest in education, we invest in the future of our children. Pagorogon Balut, 24, mula sa barangay na maraming patay, yes na yes, Don Mariano Perez! Angelique Adriano Galvez, 21, mula sa barangay na Kabiang Biga, Don Domingo Mantela. I believe with the use of mild diplomacy, we can thrive and we can achieve. Tanaw na ginintuang, I am Francine Kate W. Bacani, 19, born in the land of change, progress, and discipline, mula sa barangay na sigurado hindi ka makakatanggi. Yes na yes! Bongkong! Ortiz, 17, makitagdag so in-ito kanto at Vista and thank you. Micaela J. Flores Correas, 17, proudly representing kung saan matitikman ang pinakamasarap na pinapaitan, Intan Chapaitan! And this is Romina Chanel Lilibutan, 20, representing a leading university in education, innovation, and sustainable development. Nueva Vizcaya State University! I am Hazel Laika Macho, 22, representing Ma Daigaya Kultura, may sa puso para din. Pasok na pasok! Masok!
this journey already has purpose. This is beauty with legal purpose, and this is how I am Shahira Zaidi Bautista Aquino, 22, from the barangay that is always to look for District 4.
19. Mula sa lugar na matapang, sa nangungunang barangay, kami ang guminang Best of the Best, Pangluyan!
I will not care just for the body, but also for the heart of many Bayokbokeños. Because when we raise a child with a heart, then now, ang ginito ang bukas. I am Zoe Sarah Miriam ng John Lambay, 21, mula sa barangay kung saan isda at balay ang pangunahing hanap buhay, mahusay, magsaysay!
Growing of a growing economy of our beloved Bayongbo, tanaw ang ginito ang bukas. 20, Balen Balot Gloria, 24, representing BC Copayan Resto, HDS Construction Services, kung saan nakakalma, escape!
Wisdom, dignity, and opportunity. And when the day comes, stand tall and say, ito ang tanaw